it's Fire Janice and Fire Junior
and Fire Tit.
So we're being a bit quiet because we're not allowed this right now. So let's stop.
Stand up, everybody. Stand up and do it with us. If you have two people, you can do it with them. And if you have one people, you can do all the tabs or something like that. That's 3, 2, 1. Birds are singing. Da, da, da. I'll be back. Yeah, we will be back. Yeah? Alright. Birds are... Wait, Janelle, we're going to do it with one person's friend. Birds are singing, la da 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 dee. Yesterday is dead to me. I feel the ground beneath my feet. When I say ooh, ooh, don't go killing all my, 'cause they've only started growing. Ooh. Yeah, because I'm doing it with one person. Let's do it with two now. Come on. Birds are singing, la da da. It doesn't matter. Birds are singing, la da 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 da. Yesterday is dead to me. I feel the ground beneath my feet. When I said ooh. Don't go killing all my roses, 'cause they've only started growing. Ooh, ooh. Don't go rain on my parade. I just wanna have a good day. Bye. 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 Don't forget to subscribe.